Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lummel, and if you've been paying any attention to the news today or Twitter this evening, you've probably heard that Bitcoin cracked through the $100,000 mark. And I'm going to show you the breakdown, the intraday cycle breakdown of the Bitcoin price action. But this particular stock we're going to go over here in a minute is a ETF built around Bitcoin 2x Bitcoin ETF. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Now, BITX, pretty volatile ETF, again 2x the Bitcoin price action. But the left-hand side of the cup, the U pivot, got formed in March of 2024 and was pretty deep pullback. We had a bottom all the way down at 20 bucks, at $20 psychological price point. And so we had Cat 3 came out of, and actually set that in November, came out of it in early December. It's already up close to, actually over 100% right there. And with the overnight Bitcoin act, would not be surprised to see it take out that pivot on Thursday. So really good price action right there in the right hand side of the pattern. Again, big picture, this is a ETF that was formed in 2023, so it's blue sky basically above here. And if Bitcoin really gets ahead of steam, which it sure looks like it's breaking out pretty strong, I'm going to show you the Bitcoin chart here. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bitcointradingclub.club/lingo. Here's a look at the Bitcoin US dollar chart on a 2-hour time frame, and this one had a T95 cycle on the, again, 2-hour time frame. This one set that cycle on the first Sunday night, and you can see right here we had the mid-channel test right here on yesterday, Tuesday. Basically had a very nice reversal off of that. And so I was watching this. I'm actually not trading the Bitcoin so much as I am trading MSTR MicroStrategy, and I add to the position right here. So what I saw right here, we had the mid-channel test, and I figured we're going to get one more test of this thick bar right here, which we did. We had a little hammer form right here. We had basically a reverse head and shoulders off of that mid-channel. So left shoulder, head, and then right shoulder. You can see that 2-hour wick right there. When I saw that setting up, added more here, got a perfect move off of that, and finally cracked 100,000 on Bitcoin. So I would not be surprised to see 120 to 150 in the next month or 6 weeks potentially on this, maybe by February on the 150, but it's acting really well so far overnight on the breakout. 104,000 a hit. And getting back to the other chart, the BITX chart. So getting back to the base breakout on this, once we get down to that $20 PPP, you can see that after it set about a 3-month high, 60-day high, pulled back and retested that $30 mark and was off to the races. A lot of times on big downtrending stocks, we look for a 6-month high. You don't always get it. Sometimes it's a 50 to 60-day high, especially if it's a shallow cup. This was kind of deep cup, but 6 months is a bit much when this is already ready to print the right-hand side of the cup based on Bitcoin move on a TM4 cycle. So pretty good if you were watching it down in the base on that 3-month high pullback, and could have got in very conservatively down here and caught that trend right up to the PVC zone. So it should again follow through again. Bitcoin hit 104 and is around 102.5 or so right now. So I think we'll probably get some real good follow through over the next few weeks. Might take a few days of rest on Bitcoin, but left hand side BMI pretty amazing over here. Whether or not it will follow through the same way on the right hand side remains to be seen, but either way should be a good move out of that right hand side TM4 cycle. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtrading.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.